Cat Crystalline, please come to the office to check out. I repeat, Cat Crystalline, please come to the office to check out. I guess I have to go check out. Why am I checking out? I mean, Mom usually never checks me out. Like, this is really weird. Maybe she has like something like work related or whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna go now. Maybe Mom's, I'm just gonna wait here because Mom's not here yet. Maybe she's signing or talking to someone outside. Oh, there she is. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
Why am I getting checked out, Mom? Because you never check me out.
I have something work related.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Mom, we're at the apartments.
This is a hotel.
Well, the hotels, yeah. Are we visiting somebody? Like,
No.
what is Mom doing? What
Yeah.
floor?
Floor 3, please.
The elevator's not calling. Oh my gosh, I wish I had my phone right now. Oh! Hey, Mom.
I'm here. Surprise!
What are we doing here?
Surprise!
What surprise?
Surprise!
Mom,
What?
what surprise?
Look out the window. What do you think?
We're in a hotel?
Nope.
We are, though.
Look. Come here. Hold on. Look around.
I see a hospital, I see a beach.
Where do you think we're at?
We're at... Are we at the beach resorts?
Yep.
Wait, we're having a beach vacation?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, yay, I'm so excited, but I don't have my...
Here, let me show you your room. Your room, my bad.
Yeah, but Mom, I don't have my clothes.
Here is your room.
Oh, wait, it looks so pretty.
Your clothes are right here.
Oh, okay. This is amazing. Hey, Mom, when are we going to the beach?
In a little bit.
Okay, should I start getting ready?
Absolutely, dear.
Okay, I'll go get ready.
Alright, me too.
I think...
Lady,
Huh?
are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright. Come on, let's go.
I'm so excited.
Let's go to the parking garage, okay? Do you gotta press the button?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Did you
We're gonna
get...
put our bags back here.
Did you color the car?
I got it wrapped before we came.
Oh, okay. To make it look like the ocean?
Well, yeah, but also, you know my favorite color is blue.
Yeah. In my opinion, I think it really sticks out and stuff, so I think we should maybe make it a lighter blue. But you can do whatever you want with the car, obviously.
Here we go.
I'm so excited! Oh, hey, can we have that spot right there?
We're gonna go down by the buffet.
Oh, Oh yeah, I'm hungry.
Would you like to eat first?
No, I want to swim first.
No, over here, sweetie.
Yeah, I want to swim first, Mama.
On the other side of the dock.
Fine.
That's where our sheets are gonna be.
Okay, I have my water jet.
It looks like there's another kid in the water as well, so maybe you could go play out there with her if you'd like.
I guess.
If you don't want to, that's okay.
Woohoo! Mom, are you gonna get in? Hey Mom, can I go get the jet skis real quick?
Sure.
Okay, I'll go on my waterboard and get it. Whew, I love my waterboard. I think I can maybe ride a real skateboard when I'm older. Okay, and I know how to ride a jet ski, which I'm happy about, because I love jet skis. Oh, look, there's a cute boat. I'm gonna go get that when I come back later. Maybe if I'm gonna go get the jet ski, and then maybe after I can get that cute little sailboat, and me and Mom can drive it. There are age restrictions on the speedboat. Maybe I could drive this boat. There are age restrictions on that too. What about this one? I should probably go get back to one until I can't ride any of these. The water's really deep. I really hope I can get back there in time.
I wonder where a cat is. Cat! Cat!
I hear Mom. Mom, I'm coming!
Where are you, sweetie?
I'm on my jet board. I'm coming back.
Where did you go?
To get the jet skis, I told you.
I didn't know they were all the way over there.
Yeah, well, they were.
Sweetie, come here.
I see you, Mom. There were age restrictions on the jet ski, so I couldn't get to them.
Well, you know what? Come on, get on.
Mom, that's my jet board.
I know. We can both ride the...
Mom, wait. Mom, wait up. Okay. Here, I'll try to get on the front and see if I fall. Okay. Mom, get your own jet board. I really wanted to ride the jet ski, but I'm too young for it.
You can ride it if I'm there.
Okay. I'll meet you there, Mom. It's really nice today. The weather is amazing. Hey, Mom, are we gonna... Oh. Hey, Mom!
Yeah?
Are we gonna stay here until dark?
Maybe not that long because there might be some sharks around and I don't want either you or me to get bit by a shark. That would be bad.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, come on, sweetie.
No, Mom, the jet skis. Oh, can we ride that sailboat? It looks so pretty.
Baby, no, let's just ride this right here, okay?
Okay, I'm coming.
I just want to make sure you're safe.
Okay. go, Mom. Yay! Woohoo! I'm gonna jump. Woohoo! Ooh, I'm gonna stand and. Come on, Mom.
No,
Try.
don't do that. That's dangerous.
No, it's okay, Mom. I can do it.
Put the boxes in.
Okay. See, Mom? Onward! This is so fun. Mom, watch this. Woohoo!
Sweetie,
Yeah?
where are you?
Did you see that?
Yeah, don't do that. It's dangerous.
Ugh, Mom, I'm fine.
Please, no.
Okay, onward!
Woohoo! This is so fun.
I know.
Who are you waving at?
The water. Okay, I'll sit down now.
Should I keep on going, or do you want to turn back around?
Can we turn back around? I'm getting kind of hungry. I want dinner. I mean, yeah, dinner. So there's a buffet here?
Yep.
Is it a good buffet?
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, I really hope it has burgers. I really want burgers. Mom, why can't we just drive the boat over there? It's gonna take so long.
Alright. Here, sweetie, what do you want to eat?
Ooh, burger! Yeah! Ooh,
Yeah, I'm
they have
probably going to get a
booths.
burger myself.
This burger's amazing.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, I only booked us here for one night, so.
Aww.
But it was really fun today.
I know it was.
So I think it's about time to go back to the hotel, unfortunately.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Alright.